Hello guys, so I finally got up and brushed my hair, washed my face, put on some magic cream, something. I'm about to go out into the world. Don't worry, I'm just going to the gas station. We are still under quarantine, but I just wanted to kind of like just drop in, but just post a video for today. Not for anything for real, but I do have something very interesting that I want to show you. So I am in my studio. I would show y'all. I'm so excited to show y'all because I've gotten so much accomplished, but it's not ready, and I'm gonna make myself wait. My fridge is on struggle. Okay, I'm not starving, but bitch, running low. Today I'm gonna try these bacon wrapped scallops. I love seafood. Great. I love seafood, so I just think this is going to be so dope. And then I think later on today, I'm going to make this broccoli cheddar phyllo pie. It reminded me of like a quiche with a crusty top. I love quiche. I'm going to make this with some chopped kit bacon Caesar salad, and I usually put on the Caesar dressing and my Italian, and then I'll make some chicken to go with all of that tonight. I have some potatoes down here. Maybe I'll get rid of these potatoes before they go bad, but we'll see.
All I wanted was some money. All I wanted was some hundreds. All I wanted was some strips. Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce for the drip. All I wanted was a bad hoe. Let her know all I want is some mad dough. Go to digging in her like a backhoe. I can get her anything she asks for. Man, back from vacation. Left the flame with the game wasted. Left the games with the PlayStation. Hit the flame with the red laser. Hit a nigga from 100 yards downwind. Knock off everybody part. Where I'm known, I'm respected. Where you known, you neglected. Brother hit a lick for 50K. Now I heard no Haitian on his face. Lord forgive me if I have to sin again. You know I've been trying to stay out the way. I'm just trying to take it day to day. I'm trying to make sure that my baby's straight. Give a flying fuck about a featherweight. Hit the gelato and meditate. Up and away. I go. I'm getting too old to be playing with niggas. What the fuck is you saying, little nigga? Watch your motherfucking hands, little nigga. Get on your shit on my face.
Set my timer. We're gonna put it on 20. I feel like that's fair. And boom. Let's do this. Alright, I came back from the store. Quarantine day 1,000,001. I don't know, but the food is ready.